Hey, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't noticed, things have changed. I am now Happily G. My name is Gabrielle, and if you want to join this little YouTube fam, then click the subscribe button. In this video, I am so thrilled to share with you. I did not spend a penny, and my life feels so much calmer and so much more at peace because this space is clean and tidy. I have to give a shout out to my husband. He held down the fort and was able to watch our littles while I deep cleaned and was able to just work my little fingers to the core to get this place to be a space that's more tranquil. And this place was very chaotic, and as you can see, it was needing a lot of work. Stick around and see what it's all about. And I really hope that you get something from this video and that you enjoy it. So let's get into this video.
When you begin cleaning, I think everyone knows that you want to start with a blank canvas, and that happens by removing everything that is in whatever space you are trying to clean. In this case, it was my bathroom countertop, and there was just so much stuff that did not belong there, but it had settled there over time. Recently, I have started using the SOS scrubbies, and that is what I am cleaning my sink with. There was just so much stuff in there, but these little scrubbies last forever. I was able to do the sink and the tub. I was extremely satisfied with the results I got from the SOS scrubby.
The sink itself is now clean. Need to dry it, but I am feeling so much more content with how this looks. So this is my mess in here, but as you can see, I love reusing boxes, Tiffany's, iPhone cases, like literally anything that I find. It's just really messy, so I need to attack all of these drawers. So this time around, I'm actually just going to be doing 2 shelves at a time. I took out everything, you know how I roll, and then I cleaned out this because you want to start with a clean slate. And I need to clean this and then just figure out what I want to keep and what I am willing to get rid of, and then reorganize everything. So this probably took a lot longer than it needed to because I found makeup, and since I was organizing it, I was just like, let me play with it. So I did, and I normally don't put this much makeup on, but it was fun. I didn't show the whole entire process of organizing, but I now have a little container storage for the baby stuff, my nighttime routine, the serums, self-care. This is like my travel makeup bag, and there's more makeup in here that I actually really like. So I've seen organizers do this, and I have Velcro right now. I don't have any magnets to put on here. I'm just gonna use this. It's from Dollar Tree. We're not losing it in the refinished, organized cabinet that I put together. Okay, so this is clean now. I was just staging it to make sure it looked the way I wanted it to, but I have a matching one in my kitchen. If you haven't seen that video, it's my Contentment kitchen video. I repurposed that container. This actually was a 3-pack, and one of them I used as a gift and filled it up with some stuff, and I really like the look of it, and it's our last name, so it's perfect. This window is kind of dirty. I have to clean that just because I want it to be like fresh. So I just emptied everything in here, and I'm going to put some Lysol toilet cleaner so it loosens up everything so I'll clean the tub. This is a holly sock. You can see it. I'm gonna clean with it. There it is. So I'm gonna clean with this. It's crazy how this toilet cleaner literally picks up all the grime. We have really bad water stains. You can see it like this. They're very big. And I just found on Life with Lizette, I will link it below, that if you use vinegar and Dawn dish soap on here, that it will clean it up. And it's equal parts. I just did half a cup of both since it's just one door, not two. And I actually use apple cider vinegar because we don't have vinegar for some reason. Here's the after. And there's still some water stains, but it is really clear. It is clear to like see inside, so you can see some of the water stains a little bit with the black behind it. It is a major improvement. I'm very impressed.
If you have any suggestions on fixing this hard water, whatever issue on my toilet, please leave a comment. I would really appreciate it because this is not pretty.
Totally giving me beyond content vibes. I am thrilled with this reveal, and I utilized everything that I had in my home, repurposed things, and it is just so nice to come to your space and feel like you know where things are at, and the things that you own, you cherish even more because you see the purpose for them. Just giving me all the spa, all the hotel vibes of a luxury bathroom that I was needing.
We can live our fantasies.